Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to look into how to find upcoming free NFTs to mint in the NFT calendar of coinmarketcap website. And in this coinmarketcap website, you will be able to make use of the NFT calendar to find most of the upcoming NFTs with a lot of potentials before their minting date. And not only that, you are going to be able to also sort out all the NFT projects by the type of network that they were going to be launched into. For example, Ethereum network, Polygon, Solana, and Avalanche. So imagine a situation where you can also be able to filter out the NFTs that are going to be minted for free in this same particular page. That's amazing. These are all the things I'm going to cover in the course of this video, so you don't have to miss anything. Continue watching. Meanwhile, if you are liking the type of video or the type of information that you are getting from here, please kindly like this video and also subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I bring you potential information that will help you to grow in your crypto journey. So with that being said, guys, let us dive into the main reason why we are here. So in order to get started here in CoinMarketCap, just type www.coinmarketcap.com and you will be landed on this particular page. So here in CoinMarket page, you are going to click on this three dotted lines by the right end of this page, and it's going to open this way. So right here, guys, make sure that you click on NFT, and here will everything that we will be needing in exploring this page. All right, guys, so I'm clicking right here. So just look very closely. You are going to see these options. There's overall NFT status, there is a top collections and upcoming sales. So we are going to click on upcoming sales. So once you are here, guys, this is where you're going to see all the upcoming NFT projects that will be minted. So if you are interested in any of them, kindly just follow. But first, do your own diligence research on NFTs before you start investing, as what you're getting from here is not a financial advice. So it's important that you take this into consideration before you get started. NFT is a high-risk business, so do not forget this while you are investing. What you are going to do for me is click on this place that it says platforms. So once you click here, then you'll be able to see this list down here. All right, and here you make sure that you click on free. So right here, guys, we have only one project, and this project is called Eggheads. So if you're interested in this particular NFT projects, you just have to make sure you go follow them in their Discord server. Follow them in their Discord server and also check out their website. I am going to also drop a link from their Discord server so that you don't make mistake on this, and follow up. And remember, this NFT is going to be minted in 6 days from now, so this video is actually time sensitive. If you want to take part in this particular NFT, you have to make sure that you are following along. I am also going to join this project. If you like joining, to make sure that you make your own research and let us win together. So if you have any question regarding this video, make sure that you drop it in. I will definitely going to attend to you. That being said, guys, this is where we'll draw the curtain for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful day. Remain blessed.